Protect and organize all your recipes in one place. Efficiently sort your recipes with our tab dividers. Always keep your recipe clean by using our acrylic frame. Keep your recipes safe and spotless by placing them on the groove lid while cooking. Made with premium quality bamboo and built with durability. Accommodates 4 by 6 inch index cards. Store your favorite recipes with the Oceanstar Bamboo Durable Natural Recipe Box. The design and simplicity of the recipe box allows for easy placement on any countertop and is quickly accessible. Made with bamboo, it is smooth to the touch and easy to keep clean. The Oceanstar recipe box comes with tab dividers to organize and store your favorite recipes into different categories. Simply take the desired recipe card and place it in the clear frame to put on the lid stand. This prevents any of your recipes from getting dirty or lost while allowing easy viewing while you cook. The Oceanstar Bamboo Durable Natural Recipe Box is a great gift and addition for any home and kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Bamboo Recipe Box. This recipe box appears to bamboo has 2 small hinges on the back. The box opens fully so you can easily insert or remove cards. I have provided 2 pics, we shall see if the Amazon photo trolls allow them. 0.4x6 cards fit in with about 1/4 on the side that is free once inserted. It comes with a minimal divider set and a plastic insert to hold a recipe card out and visible using the slot on the top. There is a film on the plastic insert piece you will want to remove before using. There is also a tiny magnet on the front and top of the box. It sort of keeps the box closed. But I don't think it's of huge use. The footprint of the box is approximately 5 by 7 or so, just eyeballing it. The lid fits perfectly down on the base when closed. I noticed a few reviewers have had issues with corners and such. No such issue on mine, but production lines miss on occasion. I think it's real bamboo. Feels like it. The bottom notes that it was designed in the USA, made in China. In case that matters to you. I would certainly prefer made in the USA. The nice thing about bamboo is that it is totally renewable. I think it's pretty sturdy. It has a weight to it that is not unreasonable, but it's not a lightweight to grab and move it, although it's not super easy to grab either in case that is an issue. I find it easier to open the box and grab it while open to move it. I don't use recipes a lot, so that is okay for me. It will sit in a drawer. I mostly use it for inspiration and an occasional reminder of an ingredient. All in all, I think it's a fair price and a good box. Having said all of that, I never hesitate to update a review should new info seem useful.